in DuPage County and across Illinois, vaccination efforts are being rolled out through a phased approach based on federal and state guidelines. Vaccinations will be available at hundreds of locations throughout DuPage County, including your doctor's office, most retail pharmacies, and the DuPage County Health Department. Currently, vaccine supply is extremely limited and is expected to increase in the weeks and months ahead. Everyone is encouraged to get vaccinated as soon as it's their turn. To learn more about the phased rollout and the groups that will be prioritized to receive vaccine, visit www.dupagehealth.org/COVID-19 vaccine. We are coming to you today from the DuPage County Community Vaccination Clinic at the DuPage County Fairgrounds in Wheaton, just west of downtown Wheaton. You will enter the facility at the main entrance on North County Farm Road near the DuPage County Government Center. There will be signs directing you to the entrance. You will find plenty of parking, including handicap parking and available wheelchairs. Building 1 at the DuPage County Fairgrounds, where our clinic is set up, is a spacious building large enough to hold 3 full-size tennis courts. We have up to 24 nurses stations and plenty of room to sit down and maintain your physical distance as you wait to be called. To ensure everyone's safety, we encourage individuals with appointments to come alone, as guests will not be permitted inside. The indoor facility where we will be holding our vaccination clinic is equipped to vaccinate over 1,000 people a day, as vaccine supply allows. Based on federal and state guidelines, only specific groups are currently being offered appointments. If you or a loved one qualifies in these groups, you can register to receive a notification when you are eligible to schedule an appointment for the vaccine at dupagehealth.org/COVID-19 vaccine. When you schedule your appointment, you will be given instructions for what to do on the date and time. On the day of your appointment, please be sure to arrive as close to your scheduled appointment time as possible. If you arrive early, wait inside of your car until 5 minutes before your appointment time. Individuals who are late may have their appointment given away to the next in line and be turned away due to late arrival. You will need to bring a photo identification and employment verification, such as an employee badge, a check stub, or a letter from your employer. There are no citizenship requirements. You will need to bring your QR code or a code that was provided to you that shows proof of your appointment. The QR code can be printed out, a screenshot on a phone, or pulled up from your appointment confirmation email. If you are here for your second dose, be sure to bring the vaccination card you received after your first dose. A helpful tip is to take a picture of your card with your phone to have the information should you lose your card. Upon entering the community vaccination clinic, you will be asked to complete a question and answer health screening, and then you will be directed to check in for your appointment. After you have checked in, you will be directed to a waiting area for your turn to visit a nurse's station. When you are called, the vaccinator will check your paperwork and explain the procedures, including the manufacture of the vaccine and what to expect after you have been vaccinated. There have been side effects with these vaccines, including pain at the injection site, muscle pain, joint pain, headaches, fatigue, fever, and chills. Most of these side effects have been mild and resolved within 24 hours. After your first dose has been administered, you will be given a card with all of the information you'll need for your second dose, such as what vaccine you received and when and where you received it. You will receive a fact sheet that tells you more about the COVID-19 vaccine and to help you understand the risks and benefits of receiving a vaccine. You will then be directed to an observation area where you will be monitored for at least 15 minutes for any side effects. While in observation, staff will register you for your second dose, which will be scheduled for at least 3 weeks later. If you need additional assistance, you will be directed to our checkout desk. The DuPage County Health Department and all our local partners want to thank you for taking part in this community vaccination event to help us get back in control of our lives and back to the people and places we love.